Hi, welcome to the complete SEO support tutorial. So in this video we are going to see how to add the Google API key inside the complete SEO website editor pro. So for that you need to log in inside the website editor pro setting. So you can click this link or you just go to the website. The website is loaded. Click login. Once you click login, click the premium login because there's a two login. One is for free and commercial access, one is for premium access. So now we need to add the API key for this premium access. So click the premium login. The premium login, it will redirect to this login page. So you give your credential and click sign in. Once you sign in, this is the dashboard. So we need to add the Google and the YouTube API key. So click this profile icon, then go to settings. Once you click the settings, this is the place we need to add our Google API key and the YouTube API key. So why we need to add this Google API key and YouTube API key? So we have a website auditor, keyword auditor and YouTube audit. There is a lot of auditor here. So in order to generate the website auditor or YouTube auditor, you need to add your Google API and YouTube API key in this section here. So how we need to add, we will see in this video. So after you log in, you visit to console.cloud.google.com. so log in with your Gmail account. So once you log in, this is the dashboard for the Google platform. Let's say if you don't have any project before, so this page is empty. So go here and press this button and create the new project. So we need to create two projects. One is for the website auditor and second one is for the YouTube auditor. So here this is the project name just for your identification, so you can give whatever name you want. So for the sake of demo purpose, I am going to give this as website auditor, then create. So we created the website auditor project. Menu here, then pin this API key service. So once you pin, it will shows here. So go to the dashboard. So this is the dashboard for our website auditor project. Then go to the library. Search the page speed insight API key. Open this and enable. So for this project, we already enabled the PageSpeed API key. The second one is Safe Browser Browsing API. Go to the navigation menu, API service, library. Search for Safe Browsing API key. These two we need to enable. Then again go to the navigation menu, API service, go to library. We already enabled the Safe Browsing API. Now we need to enable the Safe Browsing API legacy. So enable this. We successfully enabled the three API key that we need for the website auditor. So then go to the credential, navigation menu, go to the credentials, then create credentials, API key. So this is the key you need to copy, then go to the complete SEO Google API key. Here you need to paste the API key that you copied from the Google platform. As I already have the API key, so I just leave the existing API key. So then the second step, we need to create the YouTube API key. So you in order to create the YouTube API key, you need to create a new project. So click here, then create new project. You can create whatever the name you want. Then create. So the project is creating. You can select the project here, or you can go here and select the YouTube API key. So now we selected the YouTube API key project. Go to the navigation menu, API service, then library, then search for YouTube API v3, paste here, then click the API key and enable. That's it. So we successfully enabled the YouTube API key for YouTube audit report. So the next step is go to the API key, then click credentials, then create credentials API key, then copy this YouTube API key and go to the complete SEO settings and paste here the YouTube API key, then submit. That's all. Now we successfully added the Google API key and YouTube API key inside the complete SEO premium. Thank you. So if you have any doubts on creating the API key, please feel free to contact us here in this link, or directly send the email to krish@completeseo.com. This document also we give the link in the help section. Thank you.